Okay, what's going to happen? These guys are going to do a scene for us, and Gloria and Diane, you're going to do the sound effects for the scene. Gloria, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin, and Diane, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. It's really fun. You're going to have a blast. Here's the scene. Colin is the Scottish owner of Jurassic Park.
A Scottish venture, was it?
Ryan is the scientist who realizes things are going terribly wrong. So you guys are doing the sound effects, Gloria and Diane. Take it away whenever you're ready.
You never know when you might have to get out of here quickly. Because we got trouble here in the park.
Oh, no! Let me turn out the radio.
Close the curtains. I'm sorry. I'm a little hungry.
Yeah, I understand it.
Look, we've got trouble here at the park.
It's so hard with everything going in such a world.
I know.
I wish everything would just settle down for a... Hey, oh, listen! Complete silence!
That's what I mean. Something's up. It's been too quiet around here lately.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh, no! Oh.
Daddy, no! Go! Go! Daddy, no! Go! Oh, no, no! They like to watch me work, please. No. Daddy! Daddy has to work. Now go see Mommy. Go see Mommy.
What do you do? You shouldn't have your children here with the dinosaurs in the room.
Good point.
That was my best impression. Look.
Very nice. Oh, that's great. I'm going to drop the power on the gate so we can go out into the jungle.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't play with your mother. I got the wrong switch. Ready? Listen, now the electricity is flowing through it. And now it's not. It worked. There's still a little bit of electricity in there. Help me with it.
Listen, it sounds like really heavy foot. You're on the moped. Look out!
Get over there!
Get away! There's a Tyrannosaurus right behind you, you stupid...
Well, it's not a very big one, is it? But they will get bigger. Oh, thank God the chopper's here. It's never going to be able to lift us up with those tiny propellers.
No.
Quiet. Raptors. They seem pretty peaceful.
You know,
I thought they'd be worse than that.
perhaps we should go out there ourselves and have a look around.
Not unprotected, we won't.
I'll just cock it.
Point it away from me.
Quick, get in the Jeep.
Right.
Oh.
I better remember. Come on.
Let's see if I can get it.
Yeah. I bet the grandkids look forward to her bedtime stories. That was great, guys. 1,000 points apiece for you. Take them home with you.